In this video I will demonstrate how to operate the Link bracelet clasp. First, take your bracelet out of the wallet provided. You will receive a polishing cloth also. Take the bracelets out of the packaging like so. The clasp should arrive open. If the clasp is not open, then simply take your thumb and open the clasp. You can either use the end of your thumb like so, or you can use your nail. Once the clasp is open, in order to place on your wrist, hang the clasp end over your wrist like so. Take the bar there and hook it over the clasp lever. Press in order to close. And there you have your magnetic bracelet on your wrist. In order to remove, take your thumb under the clasp and pull. Unhook from the bar and the bracelet is removed.